This is my latest transducer pole. It is intended for a kayak or a small riverboat perhaps. Even though this is a compact unit, it is fully featured, including a 6 ampere hour lithium ion battery, full remote control, and it features rotational limit stops, giving you about 207 degrees of rotation. This, of course, is intended to prevent wrapping up your transducer cable, and at the same time the pointer gives you a very clear indication of the direction that your transducer is pointed. One other feature is that the battery can be charged with the small charger that comes with it, and this can be done either on the boat if it's convenient, or you can remove the battery because it's attached there with Velcro. The build sheet for this particular design does not actually include a mount for the kayak, because I noticed that you kayak guys are very, very clever at mounting things on your boat. I did include a deck mount bracket so that if you wanted to put it on a small river boat, that would make it easy for you to move it over and attach it to it as well. In the original design concept, I had not planned to put a foot pedal on this particular design, but I got thinking about it, and it occurs to me that if you're using it on a small riverboat or even a pond boat, you probably need both your hands, and so at the same time, I didn't want to complicate the design of this by adding another electrical circuit to it, another controller, and all the things that go along with it. So what I came up with was really fairly simple, and here's what I did. I just, as you can plainly see, this is a very simple workaround, and I intended for it to just be a proof of concept. But honestly, it turned out well enough that you could probably use this long term as well. These two controllers both came with the original control that's in here, so there's really no additional cost involved. All I did was found some stuff that was lying around here, including this little box, and then I took this from a stomp switch that I had, and just positioned it so with some tape underneath that you'd be able to just pop this back in here when you decide that you want to take it back and use it as a handheld again. Then it's a simple matter. You could probably improve on this little box and on the mounting, but the proof of concept is I wanted to keep it simple, and there's no additional cost involved in putting the foot switch here. Thank you.